Okay, so now we take the same points and shift them 3 units horizontally, -2 units vertically. Now, some people started with these 3, some people started with these 3. Either way would have been okay. I really intended these 3, but I could have stated that a little more clearly. But, okay, if we start with these 3, well, we move them over here. And then, what are we going to do? Then we're going to move them down 2 units. And they're going to be like here. And I'll indicate it like this, and I think everybody understood that. Everybody did it right. Some people did it with these 3 points. They moved them over and then down, but everybody understands that process and appears to have done it very well. Now what we want to do is just understand that we could take any parabola, and we can start with the y equals x squared points that you're very familiar with. And we could shift this graph horizontally and vertically to match up the vertex of this parabola with the vertex of this parabola. And this parabola might represent a quadratic flow model, could represent any parabola, but if it's a flow model, this would be the point at which the flow stops. That would be your vertex. Now, if we do that, there's no guarantee that the shape of this parabola is going to match the shape of this parabola. The vertex will match, but one parabola will probably be skinnier or fatter than the other. Of course, if one is skinnier, the other is fatter, right? So, we could then adjust how fat or thin the parabola is. But that's not the order in which we're actually going to do it, okay? Actually, it's better if we do this first, if we adjust the shape of our y equals x squared parabola to match the shape of the parabola that we're trying to construct. So in order to understand how that might work, we take these 3 points and we move every point twice as far from the x-axis. Now there, I could have given you a more complete statement of this, but I want to see what you do and then we'll clarify it if necessary, okay? So this is what we do.